There is a pattern named audit log, which might have some common characteristics with event sourcing. Audit log is better defined by Martin Fowler in his online website as recording significant changes for tracking temporal information. So every time something happens, we write some log about the details of the change to some text file or database for later queries and investigation. It is a super simple pattern for storing changes, but other than not being forced to store every change, which is not its concern, it sucks when it comes to processing all those information to find out something. So far, you might note that audit log is same as event sourcing, which has solved the problem of querying temporal information by polyglot persistence. But other than a lot of minor differences, event sourcing is recognizing this stream of changes as the source of truth. So the other forms of data structures and persistent technologies are considered a side effect and secondary thing to events. We use event sourcing as the transactional model for writing events. We can drop and lose all other forms of reports and data structures safely and recalculate them again with having the source of truth. But with audit log, the log is secondary to the main data and it's not our transaction model, and you cannot prove that you can rely on its correctness. There are other two patterns named temporal property or temporal object, which are mentioned in the same article by Martin Fowler, which are mostly used for temporal information history keeping inside objects for runtime usages. We will demonstrate these patterns in practice as well.